This week's feast,
Vanellope's Candy Cart.
From Wreck-It Ralph.
You guys, this is a very special episode. Not only are we in the great state of Texas, my home, but we are here with a very special guest. She's helping me co-host the show today. It's my niece, Akimi.
Hi! I'm so excited to be here with y'all, and I'm hosting with my Opa.
Yes, you are, because Jimmy's not here. And if there's anyone else in the world that I'd rather host the show with, it is you. We're really excited about today, aren't we?
Yes!
Or how excited are you?
I'm excited to be in the moon.
You're excited to the moon. Okay, well, we have a very special recipe for you guys today, right?
Right.
How exciting is the recipe?
So exciting. The recipe is Vanellope's Kart.
And this cart that we're making is gonna be really cute, right?
And it's gonna be for her because her car got smashed, and we decided that we could make her
a new one. Oh yeah, that's the perfect idea, Angel. That's right, her car gets smashed, so we're gonna make her a new one. So should we get started?
Yes.
Yes, let's do it.
First, melt chocolate chips. Then, spread over a graham cracker and place another graham cracker on top to create our base. Next, you'll need vanilla sandwich cookies. Scrape out the cream of 2 sandwich cookies. You'll need 3 cookies to make 1 wheel. Glue all 3 together with melted chocolate. Add melted chocolate to peppermints and glue 2 together to make your other 2 wheels. Wrap a gummy circle around the peppermints. Next, take your red licorice string and wrap around your cookie wheels. Using a dab of your melted chocolate, glue the wheels onto your graham cracker base. Cut 2 round cookie sticks the same length and glue onto your sugar wafer. This is the fin of your car. We used frozen pound cake to create the body of our candy cart. Cut down to fit your base and trim with a paring knife to create shape. It's best if the pound cake is frozen while doing this step. Cut out a hole for the seat. Trim a graham cracker to create the back of the seat. Using a skewer, make 2 holes in the back of the pound cake to glue in the wafer fin. Glue the pound cake onto the base. Next, glue in your graham cracker seat and cover with chocolate. We used magic shell to create the melted chocolate effect. Drip to your heart's content. Harden it by popping it into the freezer for a couple of minutes. Now add a buttload of green frosting and melted chocolate all over the front of the car. Decorate your car with all the star sprinkles and be sure to add while the chocolate is still wet. Draw squiggles around the top of the car with pink decorating icing. Use 1 red candy and 1 white gumball for the headlights. Cut and add 3 straws to each of the sides to create the 6 cylinders this candy cart is packing. This candy cart turned out amazing and looks absolutely delish. All of the ingredients were taste tested by Akimi. So like Vanellope, we know this creation is kiddo approved. So glad she was here to help me create this amazing recipe.
Wait. Oh. No, please, Ralph! No! Stop it!
So we just watched a video of Wreck-It Ralph, and my girl started crying because she didn't like the cart getting smashed, y'all. But you're good now, right?
Right.
Well, I think what would make you feel better is maybe if you got to smash our creation, huh? Would that make you feel better?
Yes.
I don't want you to be sad. You're supposed to be happy hosting Feast of Fiction with me. But here we are, y'all. And I guess there's only one thing to do, which you've been dying to eat it, but should you smash it first?
Yes.
All right, because Wreck-It Ralph does it, right?
Right.
Do it how he does it in the movie.
Okay, now?
Now. Oh, okay. There's good. That's good. Oh my gosh. She's been dying to try this all day, guys. Pretty good. Pretty good. This is obviously a super delicious treat. Really, really fun to do with your 6-year-old niece or any little kid who loves Wreck-It Ralph. Because we had so much fun doing this, right?
Sure.
I have no idea what you just said.
Smashing the cart.
That was your favorite part of this episode?
No.
What was?
Decorating it.
Decorating it. Yes, you guys. And if you liked this episode, leave us a comment below and let us know what you want to see us make next. And be sure to follow us on all social medias. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for being here for my niece's debut. The first of many, I'm sure. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.